I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really want to like the Pixel 9 since I thought it was a Pixel 8 with minor software improvements. And I also hate seeing all the reviewers getting the phone weeks before the rest of us peons can get our hands on them.
I really like these new Pixel phones.
I've had a complicated relationship.
The first thing you need to know about Google's new Pixel 9
But I'm pleasantly surprised that I was very wrong. By now, you have seen endless reviews of the Pixel 9 Pro XL with unboxings and what's new with the phone. And rather than me bore you with the same thing, other channels are showing you. On today's video, I'm going to show you all my favorite things from someone who actually uses the phone. I've been rocking the Pixel since the Pixel 6 and I continue to do so now. Not because they pay me, but because I enjoy using the phone and software combination. Let's start with feature number 1. When I had the Samsung Galaxy, I used to hate that Samsung would back up my screenshots to the cloud and there was no choice to disable this. It was very frustrating. One thing I love about Pixels is that they continuously improve their software with the end user in mind. The Pixel 9 lineup now has a dedicated screenshots application that lets you organize your screenshots into collections such as memes, useful, trash, or whatever you want to name them. It now uses AI to gather metadata or information about each screenshot that's going to generate a unique title and summary, which you can use later on to search for them. When taking a screenshot, you can add notes about it and instantly add it to any of your collections. So let's say you want to search all your screenshots that have walking steps that you have taken. Press the little microphone at the bottom right, steps screenshots. And you see at the bottom, it's repeating what you just said. And now I have the screenshot relating to my steps. That's just awesome. One improvement I would like Google to add is being able to back up to the cloud only specific collections. Right now, if you want to back up your screenshots, you have to back all of them up. Physically, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is beautiful. It brings a glass matte back with a refined and polished camera bar, and it finishes everything off with a metal frame that looks and feels premium. The buttons feel amazing to touch and are very responsive. Does it perhaps look like an iPhone? Maybe, but that's not a bad thing. The screen is beautiful. I chose the XL, which comes with the 6.8-inch screen, and I'm glad that I did. It's only slightly larger than last year's Pixel 8 Pro, which was 6.7 inches. And next to each other, they're actually very similar in size. The Super Actual display can go up to 1344 x 2992 and 120 Hz. The colors are crisp, and just looking at the icons, it almost feels like they're gonna pop out of the screen. With the Pixel 9, Google is shifting everyone from their Google Assistant to the new Google Gemini. Google Gemini is able to interact with all your Google services and applications. It can produce images that you tell it to produce, create an image of a horse playing soccer, and so far it's been working great. We have Google Nest Hubs in our home and they come in clutch when, for example, I need to send a broadcast to my kids' room who are on the second floor. Hey guys, it's time to go to sleep.
Incoming broadcast. It says, Natalia, it's time to sleep.
And Gemini is able to send it out without a hiccup. Something that the Google Assistant kept letting me down with. They also have other cool AI features like the camera Add Me, which combines two photos that lets the missing person that takes a picture not be left out anymore. This is always me. I love taking pics and videos and find myself missing from most memories, but not anymore. The Pixel 9 has a new Qualcomm ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which is 50% faster than the previous reader. In actual use, it does instantly work to unlock my phone and to log into apps that use this feature. When you combine that with the always on display, you instantly unlock your phone. Here's the scanner. I instantly get in. Look at that. That's just fast. Personally, I like to add both my thumbs, and I haven't had a single fail when trying to unlock my phone. Some people are reporting issues when adding a screen protector that seems to be fixed by removing adaptive touch. But I don't use screen protectors, so I can't confirm this. Let me know in the comments if you have this issue. Pixel phones have some of the best software for processing photos, and when combined with the 50 megapixel main camera, it takes high resolution, crisp photos that are post-rendered to look amazing. It also has a 48 megapixel telephoto for zooming, 48 megapixel for ultra wide shots, and a 42 megapixel for sharp selfies. All the pictures that I take look great, and I can't complain. For video, you can now use night side video that takes great footage in low light situations. You could also turn on pro features like doing manual focus, shutter speed, and ISO controls. Of course, with the AI features on top of that, it's awesome to edit photos to remove unwanted people and now add missing people. Something that has impressed me is the quality of the speakers is actually very good. When placing a phone call to my bank and putting it on speaker,
Please enter your debit card, account number, or user ID.
it sounded great, and I almost forgot that I was actually on speaker. When taking a shower, I was able to clearly hear my music about 10 feet away from me, with glass and water also fighting to get into my ears. Personally, I don't like bulky phone cases, but I do need some protection from when I drop my phone after I forget that it's on top of me and I get up. The Speak and Liquid Air goes great with the Pixel 9 lineup. It feels great to the touch while providing a nice grip. It's soft and smooth. It physically looks great with a matte texture design. It brings raised edges to protect the screen and camera. When pressing the button, it enhances them rather than inhibit them. I'll add the link in the description if you want this case. They're a perfect duo. Overall, I was not expecting to like the Pixel 9 Pro XL. In fact, I was beginning to mentally prepare to switch to the Galaxy S25 release, but I have been delightfully surprised on how good the Pixel 9 Pro is. One thing I did wish they kept was the lower pricing. The version with 512 gigs that I have costs a whooping $1,300. They want to match Samsung and Apple with the high-end pricing, but they should be able to offer slightly lower prices since Google makes their own chips, which also seems to be a tier below Samsung's and Apple chips. Other than that, I'm going to be enjoying my premium Pixel 9 Pro XL, which I did not think would happen. Should you upgrade? Probably not if you have a Pixel 8 Pro. Yes, if you have older generations. Or yes, if you have the money and you're a gangster. Until next time, Ultratech out.